Oh yeah, I feel healthier already.
My God, what did you eat? Okay, you're going to start with these ingredients listed on the screen. There's your peanut butter, 1/3 of a cup of honey. Add a stick of butter, and we're going to melt this over medium heat. This recipe is so simple. Now add some vanilla extract. Blend that in. Add 2 cups of oatmeal. And a little bit of cinnamon for spicing it up. Mix that all together. Now we're going to pour this into a 6x9 tray that's been lined with parchment paper. Smooth that off and into the refrigerator. While that's in the refrigerator cooling, we're going to break apart 4 Hershey's dark chocolate candy bars, about 1 3/4 ounces each. Plenty of dark chocolate. Melt that in the microwave. Now we're going to spread the chocolate over top of the peanut butter mixture. Smooth that off. Back in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2, and there you go, guys. Looking good. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel healthier already. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.